Hello! Welcome to this tutorial. You can use CDP Studio to create real-time control systems that can run on the PLCnext controller from Phoenix Contact. Before you start using the PLCnext, you need to install the CDPIO functional extension. I will now show you how to download the extension from the PLCnext store and install it onto the PLCnext controller. Start by going to the PLCnext store in your browser. Make sure you have set up an account so you are able to download the CDPIO add-on. Go to Search and type CDPIO. The results should show CDPIO for PLCnext. Click Install, then verify that you want to install. At this page there are two ways of doing the install. One is to have the PLCnext accessible on the internet and download the add-on directly onto the PLCnext. And the other is to download a file to your PC and then install that file onto the PLCnext. I will use the latter method. Under the Download the app container for offline installation, accept the terms and conditions, then choose Download app container. Click Download in the pop-up. We can now install the add-on onto the PLCnext device. In the web browser, type in the IP address of the PLCnext device. The default is http 192.168.1.10. In Chrome, I get a warning that my connection is not private. So I click Advanced, then proceed to the IP address. I log in using the admin account. Unless you have changed the password, you can use the password that is printed on the device. At the bottom of the web interface, under Administration, click on the PLCnext apps. This will take you to the App Management page. Click Install App, then find the app file that you downloaded and select it. Click Start to start the application. Wait for the controller to reboot. To set up everything needed for CDP Studio to access the controller, we have made a script to simplify the setup. When the controller has rebooted, log into the controller using a program such as SSH or PuTTY using the admin user. Once logged in, type install_cdpio.sh. Press Enter and follow the instructions. At the end of the installation, the controller will reboot. The CDPIO app is now installed. Note that to uninstall the CDPIO app, the script uninstall_cdpio.sh must be run. You can read more about this in the help for the PLCnext IO add-on in CDP Studio. That was all for this tutorial.